3 points in today's video. The first one has to do with ratings, the second one has to do with responses, and the last one has to do with the way forward as far as our YouTube channel is concerned. Let's start with the first one. I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. B of today's first point. I'll take the opportunity also to express my gratitude to all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. I appreciate that. 1C. Those of you who have YouTube channel, you can drop your link in the comment section so that we can also subscribe to your channel. The second point has to do with response to those of you who have been asking questions as regards Botswana. You would like to have my contact so that we have that personal conversation or discussion. The link will be in the description box below, or even on the screen. You can see the link on the screen. Just make sure that you send me an email and then we can have that personal conversation. Remember, we are a big community. You're my brother, you're my sister, you're my friend, and so I'll be open to have that a lovely conversation with you. I'll be responding to some of your questions very soon. The third point and the last point I would like to talk about is the way forward as far as this channel is concerned in 2023. Because we love you so much and we know you love us also so much, we decided to secure some of the gadgets that will help us to come out with good content for you in 2023. So these are some of the gadgets. So take a critical look at some of these gadgets that we have secured. We got a laptop, we got a good chair where we can sit for hours to create content for you. We got a soft burst lighting, and you realize that the video quality has improved. So it's as a result of this, and I got this wonderful tree also to bring in life and hope anytime I sit down to create content. The cameras and all of that, and this table, and I got a new laptop as well where I can use to create content. I was using MacBook, but the old version, the old spec, so I decided to secure a new laptop which will help me to speed up the work, be able to come out with good content. Lastly, I would like to thank all of you who have tried in your various way to give me commendation, to critique what I do, a very constructive criticism, and I promise you that next year is going to be a different year altogether, and next year we like to get to 1,000 subscribers and more than 1,000 subscribers so that this channel will be monetized. The proceeds will be used to promote love and to help other people who are in need. Start your YouTube channel and we grow together. And as I said, drop your link there. We are ready to support you so that together we can all grow. And I wish you once again Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in 2023 and all the best. Peace.